Hello guys, shoutout lang to. Wala nang intro, shoutout lang. Pang-upload ko lang kasi wala nang watch hour. Mega love shoutout. Francia Vlog, Pinas TV Vlog, Lorna Bagde, Boss TV, PH in Norway, Madiho, Hupay Family, Ita Mariam, It's me Sophia, Mapi CH, shout out sa inyong lahat. Shout out Juday Allen, Twin Business Woman, Gerber TV, Miss Carol, shout out kay Sheila Laika Vlog, Elisa Love Vlog Quiet, Pilipina in Newfoundland. Shout out kay Ilikato, shout out kay Honey Kunita, shout out kay Kiimpli, tropa ni Imbi, shout out Simply Shine LB, shout out Sisdit, shout out Algas Link, shout out Makaila Parpan Bader, shout out Mrs. G Adventure, shout out Kili TV, shout out Flor Dilita, shout out Alvin Lichika, shout out Ana Personal Vlog, shout out Chichay Waray, shout out Bola na Gamay, shout out Bola na Girl, shout out Kagandat Aukiji and Me Channel, shout out Ronoli Aruba, shout out Maldita OFW Lebanon, shout out Jingo Mix Vlog, shout out Atining Vlog, shout out Inday Dayag, shout out Jennifer Vlog, shout out Kaganda 21 Vlog, shout out. Yun lang guys, yung iba hindi ko pa na sulat yung iba. Nakalimutan ko kasi guys. Kaya next shout out na lang guys yung iba ha.